So today I'm going to show you an extra step that would be useful in creating our shape that goes from triangle to square. And to do that, I'm going to begin by creating a regular polygon and making these edges. And I want to start with a triangle. So change that to a 3. And now press OK. Now once I have that, what I want to do is I'm going to move it around a little bit. There we go. So here's the deal. Suppose that inside of this piece, suppose I have some kind of shape, polygon. Let's say I have a polygon that looks like this. And as I do this particular shape, I can move it around and change it depending on what I want. Now what I want to do is I want this shape to move around here. All right, so it's going to pivot. That would be the word I'll be using. And it's going to flip, rotate, pivot around this point. So in order to do that, I'm going to use this tool, which is to rotate around the point. Now the way it works is I have to select the object and then I got to tell it where it's going to rotate. So I'm going to select the object like this. Notice what I did. I clicked on the bottom corner, I drag so that only that object is selected, not the whole polygon. And then I tell it where it's going to rotate. It's going to rotate on this point. Now once that happens, I can tell it how much to rotate by. So for right now, I'll say 45 degrees. And there it is. It's rotated. Now, that's not very useful for what I want to do. So I think what I'll do is I'll add a slider. And it'll be an angle slider, which I will call T. And I want this to rotate 180 degrees. And everything else is fine. So I'll press OK. And I think what I'll do is I will get rid of this shape. It's not going to be useful to me. So let me get rid of it. There we go. And so now what I'll do is, again, I'm going to rotate. So click and drag. Select where it's going to rotate at. That's the pivot point. Except that now, instead of giving it one measurement, I'm going to call it T. So that my slider controls the angle measurement. So I'll say counterclockwise is good because I want it to go up this way. So I'll press OK. Again, notice 45 degrees, that's where it was. But now, if I go to my arrow choice, now it looks like the original. And now it pivots so that it looks like the whole thing is moving to the correct spot. Now, here's the thing. Once I do that, I can then take my shape, right, my original, and what I would do on my original is I would begin to hide my original set of points so that it appears like this is just this shape. So I don't see the original anymore. I've hidden it, and now I have the illusion of an object that is moving like this. Okay. So that's your hint for today. See if that works for you. Take a look at the idea where this comes from. So this is the original, and This is the object. Let's see here. There we go. This is the object. Okay. And now it pivots. All right. All right. So that's it for us. Hopefully, this will give you an idea of what to do next. All right. Bye.